go. What's going on, YouTube? It's been a while. Coming back at you again with another fishing video today. But today it's gonna be two spots we go to. One was the Mud River first, and then the second spot is the Guyandotte River. But let's get into this video. Hopefully you all enjoy this. Let's get into it.
Oh, shit.
What? Yeah, they're spawning or something.
I got this so I can go down there and grab him. He's pretty big. I got the biggest.
Oh! Here, you want me just to grab him?
You can grab him if you want to. He's right there.
Yeah, I see him. Oh, he's right there. Holy shit, that is not. Yeah, oh my God. How many fish? Dude, look at all the fish right here. Look at them all. Oh. Come on. You got him in the mouth. Did he bite it?
Nope, I hooked him right in the fucking lip though.
Oh, here. Don't cuss too much on here, but here, show him to the camera. Show him the camera. Oh, hold him up. That's a tank, dude. That's a stud. All right, I'm gonna try to catch one.
Yeah, you go for it.
It's on video. It's on video. Do you want a picture?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of him.
I don't got my phone.
Right in the bottom of the lip. I just swapped it whenever as soon as he rolled over top of it.
That's sweet.
That's a really.
We might need to go reel them poles in. Damn it, this is right-handed.
Can somebody take a picture? I don't got my phone.
Yeah, I don't either. You got your phone?
Yeah, it's on my phone.
You gonna let him roll down? See you, dude. Slide on it. He's fine. He going. Yeah, there you go. That's cool. Oh yeah. God dang. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, I love fighting up big old fish. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, holy crap. Is that a common carp? It looks like it. It might be a grass carp. He is going though. Dude. I am. I'm just letting him run.
You got him in the mouth.
I got him in the mouth? Yeah, it looked like it.
The weights were right on the side of it.
Yeah, it looked like I hit him right in the mouth. Golly, dude. This is a freaking tank. I ain't hooked into a fish this big in a while. Oh, look at him. That's a big old common carp. Oh. Yeah, he's fighting. He don't want to give up, dude. He don't. Oh my God. This light. It's huge, Wade. Oh, keep pressure on him. No, but I don't want to bust my line. See, that felt weird. I'll just tire him out. I don't want to bust it, you know. It's like 8-pound test or something, maybe less. Oh, he don't want to come to the bank, dude. He don't like the bank. This is probably the longest fight I've had in forever, dude. He didn't like seeing people in the water. I'm gonna put a bicep pump on, dude. Here, don't grab my line, all right? Yeah. Just let him go. Yeah, I'll bring him to you. Just don't move.
I just want to get out a little bit deeper.
Yeah. I got you. That's cool. I'm gonna bring him right to you. He's kind of, all right. He's done. He about done. He probably got 1 or 2 more runs in him. Here, watch yourself. Yeah. There you go. There's a good run. There's one. God dang! I want to land this fish before my GoPro dies, dude. Holy crap!
Dried off. I just got it. I didn't know that.
Yeah. This is such light tackle for this fish.
15 pounder.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good fish. I don't know.
I brought my net now.
Yeah, I know. He's over here, but
I ain't walking towards
yeah, yeah.
Oh, fucking snag.
Get over here, buddy.
I found him now.
Here, stop, stop. Yeah, I'll bring him to you. Oh! Yeah. Wait. You got one? Dang, look at these deer tracks. Holy crap. Oh yeah. The little white bass, baby. Second one of the year for you, huh?
Yeah.
Where'd you catch him at?
Right up over on that brush pile.
On them logs?
Throwing it and then jerking it because my bait was dead, making a shine.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Heck yeah.
Smacked it.
Here, take them off, throw them in. Look at that.
Carp.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture with him.
Holy crap, there's another one.
Yeah, I see that dark.
No, I'm just doing one thing. Got one. Oh, he popped off. Got the dogs out on the riverside. Trying to catch us some white bass. Maybe some spot. We're getting at it though. I was gonna go up there, but all right. This is where I caught that one.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. I heard us through. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Another little spot. Sweet. Just like throw it like a lure. Oh yeah. Another little spot. Oh, this one's scrawny. That's why he ate it. So freaking small. Huh. They got sharp ass teeth on them. A lot sharper than the ones in the pond. All right. See you, buddy. You just walking? A catfish? Got a big one. Got a big one. Oh, catfish, catfish. Dang it, I thought it was a bass, bro. Freaking channel cat. Dang it, I thought it was a big old wiper. No, that's a little channel titty.
I just seen one.
Well, I'll see you, dude. Oh, shit. Swim off. I need me a minnow. Oh my God. Oh my God, what is that? Is that a turtle? It looked like a turtle.
No.
It's not? It's off.
Out.
What was it?
It looked like a carp, dude.
A
Yeah,
carp?
it was like really bright in color.
It might have been a big old flathead. It looked like a turtle, not gonna lie.
No, it wasn't a turtle. I seen it.
You seen it? You seen it?
Yeah. Well, hell yeah.
Yeah, well, did you get some hooks? Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I knew I shouldn't have ran for it. I had his feelings.
Well, I mean, you got right there on time, like you.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I mean, it just started hitting as soon as you got to it.
It'll be there again sometime. Well, probably not that one.
Yeah, there's something in there. I'll eat it.
It's half a head, man. Something in there, grab it.
Looks like you're getting a bite right now. You're getting a bite right now. Yeah. It's big. Oh no, don't. What the fuck is that? You're fucking shitting me, bro. Bro.
Funny as shit, man.
Motherfucker, I thought I had one. Oh, he's right there. There's a bass.
There's multiple of them.
Yeah.
Come on, sir.
What the fuck? Where'd they go?
Somewhere around in there.
Wait,
Oh. Oh. Don't know. They just. What the fuck? Yours was a little one, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, I need a little one. Did you put a little one on?
Yep.
Just now?
Yeah.
How many are in here? None. One. Like one perfect sized one.
The smallie.
They look like a smallie. You got him? Oh, it's a striper. White bass. Yeah, little white bass. Sweet. All right, I got dibs on the last small one.
All right. Yeah, I want a picture of this one. Let's take it off.
That thing's small. It's on video, dude. You'll be on YouTube. Got one? Did he come off? Nope. Oh yeah. What is that? A channel. Yeah. Little channel cat. Little channel titties. Alright. That's sweet. Little channel titty. It's croaking. I'm touching the line so hard.
Little channel titty. What is the little black titties on him?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get him back.
Alright. Chuck that mofo in.
Backflip. Run.
What is it? Oh my god, the smallest channel cat of the day. You got your bait back though, didn't you? Some of it. The smallest channel cat of the day. Did he swallow the hook or something?
No, he ain't swallowed.
He's bleeding a little bit.
Yeah, he might have.
That is the tiniest channel cat I've
hear it?
freaking seen. Yeah, it's croaking.
Get away from me.
Yelling at us.
He bleeding.
Yeah, I don't know how. He's in his lip. I mean, that's like almost bait size, dude.
You could throw him over bait. Cut the fucking barbs off, but.
Yeah, see, he stab you. Here, throw him in.
Yeah.
He's bleeding. Throw him in.
Yeah.
See, dude. Swim
man.
off. Oh, he gone.
Oh,
Yeah, he's weird looking. Almost iridescent. Yeah, that thing we caught earlier was definitely a bullhead. Shut up, you little croaker, wasting our bait.
Fuck you.
Alright. Throw that little shit back. Alright. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully I can get some more content filmed. Haven't got too much right now, but it's just been way too hot to go out. I have to go out in the morning or in the evening, but I'm gonna try to get some more videos out. Deer season's right around the corner. Been getting a bunch of pictures on cam. But other than that, hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I'll catch y'all next time.